Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5.4 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, I'll show you how to customize this mode, and after that, much faster access to this feature. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to find the display option. Let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down in order to find the night light. As you can see, it's right here. And basically you can turn it on here without any customization just by tapping on the switcher. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. So as I said, you can leave it like this or you can customize it. So let's tap on night light. And as you can see, we've got two different options which we can customize. Let's begin with the intensity. Here you can change it, so you can set it much cooler, and basically it is not visible right now. Or by going to the right, you can set it much warmer. Trust me, in real life it's almost orangish. What's more, we can schedule that feature. So of course right now we've got the none option. It is not scheduled. You will have to turn it on and off manually, or you can turn it on at custom time or sunset to sunrise. After picking the sunset to sunrise, your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise are. It is, I believe, location based. And in custom time, you can, of course, pick the start time. So let me pick, for example, 6 o'clock, tap on OK, and as you can see, the device will immediately change the colors of the screen. It is of course because we are between the start and the end time. But let me turn off this option. I don't want to schedule it. And basically this is the whole customization of this feature. And if you'd like to have much faster access to it, so you don't want to go there through the settings, all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar and unroll it fully. And as you can see, the night light will immediately appear on this panel. If for some reason it is not here, no worries, just tap on this edit icon and you will be able to pick it and drag it to this section. So of course the night light is turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it, and as you can see, the screen will immediately get back to its normal state. Of course, the same situation if you want to turn it on. So basically that's all. This is how to customize, how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode in your SONY Xperia 5.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.